Good morning, guys. This is Kim with Illuminate Landscape Designs. We are here in the Rosedale community. We are here to clean some fixtures. If you live in Florida, you know how bad the water deposits can be. We have very hard water out here. So we're going to clean up these fixtures that were installed about 6-7 months ago, and stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Kim with Illuminate Landscape Designs again. So this is what the fixtures look like just due to the Florida hard water. Let me show you this one. So we're going to clean up these fixtures. We are going to be back and show you what they look like when we're done. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Kim with Illuminate Landscape Designs again. We are still at this job out at Rosedale, cleaning these fixtures. Here's another example of a fixture with the calcium deposit due to the hard water that Florida has. That also, when we maintain your system, as you can see, there's this exposed wire here that was buried when the install took place. However, with the heavy rains and the downpours we have, especially during the summer months in Florida, it washes things away and erodes the soil. And so what used to be buried cable is now exposed, which leaves it subject to a landscaper cutting it. So we would love to help you. Give us a call, 941-920-5171. Hey guys, Kim with Illuminate Landscape Design. So we're finishing up this property. As you can see, we cleaned up this light. The deposit is gone from the top. It looks shiny. We also went ahead and buried that exposed cable. We would love to give you a free maintenance quote or a free quote for a system. Give us a call, 941-920-5171.